1, 2, 3, let's rodeo!
Got him. Here comes Keith. He's got a tug. Straight time. Whether you are preschoolers, students in special ed classes, or senior citizens, we extend a warm welcome to our audience. We have an exciting program planned for you with many local cowboys and cowgirls and volunteers ready to present the 25th annual Mini Rodeo. Tony and her husband Jeff and a group of dedicated volunteers organized and performed their first event as a special treat for those with special needs who might not attend the weekend rodeo. Schools from around the Imperial Valley were invited to attend to enjoy a smaller version of our cattle call rodeo. Over the years, the audience has grown to include many special groups from preschool age to senior citizens. The most rewarding part is the interactive experience as the cowboy and cowgirls meet and greet our special guests.
You like it? Aww, good job. Look at you guys.
We need police, FBI, CIA. Hey, we got better than that. We got the Lone Ranger and Tonto here to rescue this damsel in distress. Let's hear for the Lone Ranger and Tonto.